So we have seen that women, okay, women also participated in the revolution, that is Russian Revolution. Okay, so women in the February Revolution. So first, in the month of February, so revolution was started in the Russia. Okay, so I said that one woman. So her name is Marfa Vasileva. Marfa Vasileva is a he's a operator, that is a milling operator. Milling machine was there. Milling machine operator stopped working in the factory and she came outside and she started strike against the factory. Then slowly, in the beginning, the peoples did not support it, but later, slowly all the peoples have supported, and finally, the revolt also given support for Russian Revolution. So in this way, we can tell that women also participated in this revolution. Next, after February. So after February, what happened means Bolshevik Party Lenin has released from the prison. So here is there. We can see here the Lenin. Okay, here we can see this Lenin. So he is called as the Lenin. So Bolshevik image of Lenin addressing the workers in April 1917. So here Lenin has taken the stand of getting independence for Russia from these Tsar rulers. Okay, in the year 1917. So at the time he came from a political party. Its name is Bolshevik Party. Okay, Bolshevik Party belongs to all the workers. So total workers are participant. Later, even the peasants also joined. Peasants also joined hands with workers. And finally, this was became a big revolution in the Russia against these Tsar rulers. Okay, so in this way, revolution was started. Of course, Lenin is having three demands mainly. Three demands are there. So these three demands are called as April thesis. Okay, April thesis. April thesis means nothing but just three principles. What are the three principles, or what are the three demands of this Lenin? Means first demand is Russia should not participate. Our Russia should not participate in the World War I. It should be come back from the war. So that is the first demand, so that Russia will be saved from financial crisis. Next, the second demand is peasants must be distributed with the land. So land should be distributed for peasants. Okay. So peasants must be distributed with the land. So land must be distributed for peasants. That is the second demand. Third demand is the banks. Many workers are getting some loans from the banks, but those banks are looting these workers by making some high interest. So that's why. So the third demand is Lenin asked to nationalize banks. Okay, nationalizing banks. So that is the third demand. Okay, third demand of Lenin is to nationalize the banks. Next, so these are the three demands. They are called as April thesis. Okay, April thesis means April three demands of Lenin. And he kept the political party. Its name is Bolshevik Party. Okay. So next, so just we move forward. Okay. Yes. So here, if you see here, yes. So the July days, a pro-Bolshevik demonstration on 17 July 1917 being fired upon by the army. So here, some of the peoples of the Lenin, supporters of Lenin. So these are the supporters of Lenin. While the Lenin is going to take the revolt in the capital cities, that is Moscow and also the St. Petersburg, like that, then the supporters of this Lenin, they have taken in support of this Lenin, that is the strike. So strike was taken place by these people, but immediately the Tsar rulers ordered to open the fire on this. Okay, so the fire was opened on the common people, that is workers and peasants. Even the women also will be there. So this was the photograph taken at the time when the fire was opened at the Bolshevik party. Okay, demonstration. వీళ్ళందరూ కూడా లెనిన్ కి సపోర్ట్ గా వాళ్ళు ఉన్న టౌన్ లో వాళ్ళు ఉద్యమం చేస్తూ ఉన్నారు. రెవల్యూషన్ డెమాన్స్ట్రేషన్ చేస్తూ ఉంటే ఆర్మీ వాళ్ళు వచ్చేసి వీళ్ళ మీద ఫైర్ ఓపెన్ చేసినారు. ఓకే, ఫైర్ ఓపెన్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఏమైంది? సో ఇమీడియట్లీ ఆల్ ద పీపుల్స్ ఆర్ రన్నింగ్ టు సేవ్ దేర్ లైఫ్స్. సో దిస్ వాజ్ ద ఇన్సిడెంట్. Okay, so here from this we can understand that how the horrible it was. So next, so just we move forward. So here, okay. Yes, next just we move forward. So these are things happened. Next one is in the month of October again in the 1917. So the Russian Revolution of 1917. So in the year, that means in the same year, in October, so many things are happened. So on October 1917, October Lenin persuaded the Petrograd Soviet and the Bolshevik party to agree to a socialist seizure of power. A military revolutionary committee was appointed by the Soviet under Leon Brezhnev to organize the seizures. The date of the event was kept secret. So here, okay, see here. So there are some other groups also in there. Okay, in the Russia. First one is called as the Soviets. Next one is called as the Socialist. Of course, these are called as the Bolshevik parties. Okay, Bolshevik supporters. Next one, so they are called as Socialist people. Okay, Socialist peoples are there. So both members are combined their groups, that is revolutionary group, and they formed one separate party that is called as revolutionary group. And indirectly, most of them it is belongs to the Bolsheviks only, because Bolshevik is the highest one. So they formed separate army to fight against the Caesars, that is Tsar rulers. Okay, so Tsars మీద వాళ్ళ మిలిటరీస్ వాళ్ళ మీద ఫైటింగ్ చేయడానికి అనేసి లెనిన్ గ్రూప్ వాళ్ళు సోషలిస్ట్ వాళ్ళు రెండు కూడా మిక్స్ అయ్యి సపరేట్ ఆర్మీస్ లాగా ఫామ్ అయినారు టు ఫైట్ అగైన్స్ ద ఆర్మీ సోల్జర్స్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ కింగ్. But later slowly the Russian army also supported for revolution. Then finally the Caesars lost their power. Okay, so finally Russia got independence, and finally the Lenin is made as the first president for Russia. Okay, and here Bolsheviks controlled the Moscow to Petrograd area. Okay, later Moscow was made as a capital city after Petrograd. So previously we have this Petrograd as the capital city. So after that, slowly Moscow was made as a capital. So these are the incident happened. So ivanni manam incident ga cheppochu. Some of the important dates. So 1950 to 80s, 1850 to 1880s, debates over socialism in the Russia. Okay, so many debates are occurred in this socialism, whether the country should follow socialism or democracy or capitalism. So that was the confusion. So that was discussions are taken place in the year from 1950 to 80s. Next, from 1898, so formation of Russian Social Democratic Workers Party. So here, yes, సో కొంతమంది స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసి వాట్సాప్లో పెడుతూ ఉండండి మధ్య మధ్యలో. Vamshi and Sai Dinesh, keep in the WhatsApp so that others can understand that class was going on. Okay, formation of Russia Socialist Democratic Party. So this is one of the political party formed in the year 1897. మనకి 1897 లో కూడా కొన్ని పొలిటికల్ పార్టీస్ ఫామ్ అయినాయి. ఓకే, ఇన్ ద ఇయర్ 1905, so the Bloody Sunday and the revolution of 1905. So in the year 1905 only, a small revolution was broke out in Russia. It is called as Bloody Sunday. Bloody